Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, if you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one, let's make that little, there we go. Each one of these represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Also, friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you, but my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to do that by talking about more so the general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. But not to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just crazy movement since the last time I did the video. Volume here came pouring in and price all over the place. Unfortunately, this very bullish movement here, it lasted for a little bit of time, but then everything during that 4-hour session right there just totally wiped away. So the volatility has certainly returned, and I'm very jealous of those of you that are going to be watching this 15-20 hours from now, because you're going to have a much better idea about where the price currently resides in regards to these levels that I'm going to talk about. But the main level that I'm very curious about, and I've talked about this in several past videos. So let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one you need to ask yourself is, where's the price at relative to 9,300? Which so far so good during that crazy session. Price actually dropped down below it, but price was able to recover back above it. And you want to see the price stay above there. Now, with that being said, if you're answering the question, 15-20 hours from now that the price is down below 9,300, does that mean the entire chart is epically destroyed? It doesn't mean that at all, but that would be a sign that something's just not quite right. And at that point, you could very well have down here at 8,700 coming into play here. But like I said, I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves, because so far so good. 93 has held above that level, or excuse me, the price has held above that 9,300 mark. But again, if you're answering the question later on when you watch this video that the price is down below that level, at that point in time, that very well could create enough downwards pressure to then send this down to 8,700, if not lower than that. But as of now, not really relevant, because the price is at least staying above 9,300. But the reason why I am talking about these levels is, as we just witnessed, this thing can get very volatile. So 8,700 maybe doesn't seem that far off, but you never know with the volatility that's shown up. And then on the flip side of things, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, no, the price is actually still up above 9,300. The next immediate question would be, okay, well, has the price gotten back above that red line there, which represents 10,000? And if the price has gotten up above there, well, that would tell you that this downwards momentum here has pretty much been totally wiped away, and that the bulls have regained full control of the chart. And now, if you're answering the question that the price is still down below 10,000, but still up above the 9,300 mark, so somewhere around here, one word could summarize that, and that would just be consolidation at that point in time. But overall, crazy movement. So keep riding these levels, walk yourself through those questions. That'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.